here is the deal. I'm just going to group these terms and then group these terms. And if we do that, we see that x cubed is common. So we're going to have x cubed times, here we are left with x squared. Then this side we are left with plus x. Then this side we have plus 1. Then here we will just take positive 1 out. Then we are left with x squared plus x plus 1. And this is equal to 0. Actually, my 2 is disappearing, so let me write it well. Great. And now we can see that x squared plus x plus 1 is common, so we have to also take it out. We're going to have x squared plus x plus 1. Then the inside we are left with x cubed plus 1, and this is equal to 0. Are we done factoring this? No, because inside this parenthesis we can also factorize it. X cubed plus 1 is the same as x cubed plus 1 cubed. In algebraic identities, if you have anything of the form a cubed plus b cubed, we can factorize this as a plus b times a squared minus a times b plus b squared. So let's use this idea to factorize x cubed plus 1. And if we do that, I'm going to write this one first. We're going to have x squared plus x plus 1. Then this one, we're going to have x plus 1, then times x squared minus x plus 1. And this is equal to 0. And now we can have two separate equations. The first equation is going to be, I have to write the easiest one first. So we have x plus 1 is equal to 0 as the first equation. Then the second equation, we're going to have x squared plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then lastly, we have x squared minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. With this one, it is very simple. X is equal to negative 1. Then with this equation, we're going to make use of the quadratic formula, which is equal to minus b. B is positive 1, so it will be negative 1. Then plus or minus square root of b squared, we're going to have positive 1. Then minus 4 times a times c, they are all 1, 1. So we're going to have minus 4 divided by 2 times 1. And if we simplify this further, we have x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus. Now the whole of this one is going to give us negative 3, square root of negative 3, that is 3i, all divided by 2. And these are the two solutions that we have gotten for this equation right here. Now lastly, we're going to have to change the marker. We're going to have x is equal to minus b, but b is negative 1, so automatically it's going to be positive. Then plus or minus square root of b squared, so negative 1 squared, it is positive 1. Then minus 4 times a times c, they are all 1, 1 right here. So we're going to have negative 4 divided by 2 times 1, which is 2. So we have x is equal to 1 plus or minus. This whole thing will give us negative 3 like previously. So we have 3i right here, all divided by 2. And guess what? We have 5 solutions in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ladies and gentlemen, this is pretty much it. I hope you found this video useful. Please, if you did, let me know that by liking the video, subscribing, and also comment and share. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day and see you again on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.